Hey guys, what's up? It's Dalton. So in this video, I unboxed the DJI Pocket 2. Of course, you'll see some test footage later on in the video, but yeah, if you guys are interested in buying it, this is probably definitely the video you would want to watch. It's gonna be quick, to the point, and with some test footage, so.
Here's Dalton's new camera. Yeah, check out what it can do. Look, he hooks the phone up to it. Yeah, make it reverse to us. Look at that. It's like C-3PO on Star Wars, or, you know, it's a robot. Look at that little thing. Wow. Cool.
And here's some test footage for you guys to view that I filmed over the past week or so. And this audio is from the onboard mic.
What's up? New camera.
Yeah?
So, film the strike in there.
Pocket 2 contains 4 microphones, which doubled the original audio and is capable of adjusting the audio based on where the camera is facing. Where's the entrance?
Right here.
What is your doggy door?
This is my doggy door. So much metal flake on this. Here it is. Yeah, 30.
Yeah.
Metal flake.
The Pocket 2 has a 1.7 inch image sensor compared to the original's 2.3 inch sensor. It offers a wider 20mm field of view with an aperture of f1.8 compared to the 26mm f2.0 last time around with the Pocket 1. Of course, the maximum video quality is unchanged, which is still 4K 60 FPS, which is great. I will just be filming in 1080p 60 FPS with usually the wireless transmitter microphone. In the description, I'll leave a link to all the specs.
What the hell? You think you're funny, don't you? Look, see that big nose?
It's like some Mr. Bean type shit.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm Mr. G. Bean ain't seen a damn thing.
We did have 3 LED lights shining over the trike right here, but it looks great. I mean, this was at nighttime, and just you can really see the shine and the sparkle, you know, with this camera. And the autofocus is great, I gotta say. And of course, all these videos that I'm showing you as test footage is footage for upcoming videos on the Just Buggin' Restorations main channel.
Dalton's new toy.
It's my camera and gimbal all in one. $499 for this tiny little thing, but it does the job.
It does everything. And he can put it where it zeroes in on my face, and it's like a robot. It'll follow me. He doesn't even have to follow me. Cool. It's like, where are you going? Isn't that cool? The big one, it's impressive when you're at a car show or something and people get out of your way. I don't know what they're going to do when you come around with that little thing now. But it's so much better for you. I mean, holding that big thing, gimbal and big ass camera on top. It does everything and it's better. It autofocuses everything. Better when you walk from outside, inside, it adjusts like that.
Like he was saying, it's just so much better with the DJI Pocket 2. Anywhere I'm going, I can just pull the camera right out of my pocket, hand my dad the microphone, and start filming. Hey guys, it's Dalton. I really enjoyed this camera. I've been using it for about a week and a half now, and it's just a great camera, and I definitely recommend you guys picking one up. If you want to check out the specs or possibly purchase the camera, then the link is in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and check out the main channel where me and my father make weekly videos on Volkswagen vehicles.